Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. I heartily welcome you all in beautiful month of August. Friends, today we are going to discuss about very important poem of Nissim Ezekiel. In my last video, we have seen the introductory speech regarding the contribution of Nissim Ezekiel to literature and various fields of life. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the poem entitled, which is very famous one, that is very Indian poem in Indian English, written by Nissim Ezekiel. Friends, as far as this poem is concerned, we have already noted that Nissim Ezekiel was great Indian writer who is called as father of Indian English poetry. As far as the poem written by Ezekiel entitled Very Indian Poem in Indian English is concerned, we found that how Ezekiel very authentically has flavored the Indian English pidgin or bazaar English to the present poem. Friends, this poem is best example of broken English in language of George Bernard Shaw. There should not be barricades for writer. How language fluently came out from the need of time. This is the best example. In this poem, we found there is a flavor of Indian English, especially the stress and various other mistakes generally Indians do in their pronunciation. Those all things overwhelmingly followed by Nissim Ezekiel in this poem. Friends, as far as the poetic creation of this poem is concerned, Nissim Ezekiel himself presented that when he was traveling by train, and one of the traveler with Nissim Ezekiel asked about English. At that time, Ezekiel was very interestingly accepted the change in Indian English, and we also know that how Indian English sometimes become which can be influenced by Marathi, which will be Minglish, or sometimes if it will be influenced by Hindi, then it will be English. In this sense, there is one beautiful title of the picture by Sri Devi, English Winglish. So friends, how poem or language is part and parcel of life. In that regard, poet of this poem has written that every time he focusing on Indian peculiar English. As far as the poetical explanation or critical explanation of this particular poem is concerned, the poem is divided into 5 important stanzas. In first stanza, we found that in peculiar Indian English, Nissim Ezekiel has focused on the present generation. In Indian English, he focusing on the problems of the present generation, such as how Indians are living, in what conditions they are living, as well as how Indians were suffered by modernization and industrialization, which has changed the life of Indian people. Apart from that, he focused on the regrettable condition of Indians through this poem, that how act of violence and antisocial tendencies were focused in the first stanza of the poem. Still he is very positively looking towards this life, and so he explaining that how all these things should be hopeful, and definitely tomorrow we will going to see the beautiful. So this is about the first stanza. As far as the second stanza of the poem is concerned, we found that he focus on the readers peep into Indians as Gandhi's hair. Now you know, as far as history of India is concerned, we can't do minus Mahatma Gandhi from Indian history and Indian nationalism. In that sense, he was focusing about the Mahatma Gandhi's advice, while in this estimate he also giving the example of Indian wisdom, which is correct. Contrastively, the modern generation takes it to whatever is western and fashionable. This is the problem with Nissim Ezekiel's ideas, that he focused that how modern generation, instead of going towards our ancient traditions, we are going towards the westernization. So this is one thing which came before us from the second stanza. Especially he focused that how students taking interest in petty agitations make him feel sickening line Antony's appeal to the Roman mob. He will call upon the fellow citizens to think of the past masters. It means that Nissim Ezekiel focused on Indian legacy as far as the second stanza is concerned. In third stanza, Nissim Ezekiel pronounces in order get away from that which distinguishing. He wants to have cup of wine. Now there is one important line is there, very good for digestion. It can be taken as equivalent to the western wine, but he himself did not prefer wine, even that he preferred lassi. So friends, instead of taking wine or instead of becoming addicted by any such frenzy things, we should prevent ourselves from such things, and we have to stick to our Indianness. So in that sense, we found he preferring instead of wine, he preferring lassi. It means this is the Gandhian India which he focused from his third stanza. Friends, in next stanza, he focusing on, in the fourth stanza, he focusing on the situation, the world situation of today. You know, poets, writers are timeless. If we read Shakespeare's plays, if you read Plato, Aristotle, or any great philosopher or thinker or writer, we found that every writer's views are contemporary. In that sense, Nissim Ezekiel is also focusing on today's condition in fourth stanza, and he focusing or he commenting on the world situation today. The present condition, all over speak, bad trend that give an edge of production of dangerous weapons and try to be superior to others. Friends, we are facing very dangerous disease corona, and this is kind of a third world war. Where we are going? Where the today's generation is going? In the competition of imperialism, we are starting or we are going to destroy the human race. This is very dangerous. In that sense, we found instead of nuclear war, we are facing, the world is facing a different kind of war. Friends, in that sense, Nissim Ezekiel's fourth stanza is aptly applying to the present situation. In this sense, the countries of the world often tie with each other in keeping themselves ahead of others. This is a kind of a mad competition. Instead of imperialism, we are going to destroy humans. So this is very dangerous. In that sense, it will be the peculiar loss of human lives if only one considers that trend could be the change. Finally, in last stanza, Nissim Ezekiel expecting something positive. As far as India is concerned, India is such a great country where we are going to find out unity in diversity. All Indians are united. We Indians living with various religions, with various colors, with various ideologies. But friends, we have respect to every religion. Friends, though you are follower of any religion, but mazhab nahi sikhata aapas mein bair rakhna. There should not be the enmity with other religious people or with other religion. So this is very important aspect which came as far as Indian history or Indianness is concerned. So this diversity particularly came before us from Nissim Ezekiel's poem's last stanza, and this ideal situation coexist with the author describes. This is known as Ram Rajya concept. Actually, Nissim Ezekiel has written this word Ram Rajya in his poem. This concept is also very important in his poem in last stanza. Poet is optimistic as far as today's condition is concerned, and the poet is optimistic when he says that enjoy every moment and of good company. So he ends the poem by saying that he does not feel the necessity of celebrating ceremonies. Though we are celebrating various religious ceremonies, Eid or Diwali or Christmas or whatever may be, we have to cooperate, we have to respect each other. This is very important message came from Nissim Ezekiel's this poem. As far as the very important idea of the poem is concerned, as far as the diction of the poem is concerned, he deliberately used Indian English, peculiar Indian English. The Patriot contains number of Indian examples. For example, the reduplication of fighting, the lack of indefinite and definite articles on the glass of lassi. Then he has also used the particular word Indra Behan. So all these things, apart from that, the excessive use of definite article, not that I am ever tasting the wine, the excessive use of the continuous tense ing in I am standing for peace and non-violence, the omission of obligatory object pronoun in modern generation is neglecting. So instead of neglecting this, he has used ing form in this poem. Again and again, satirically, poem rather than genuine example of Indian English. This is Indian pidgin or bazaar English. Deliberately, Nissim Ezekiel has focused on this thing, all these language genuine things. In conclusion, poet focused on unique position of Indo-Anglian poets of post-independence era. Friends, this is our responsibility that we have to go towards the idealism or idealistic views of human life. As far as Nissim Ezekiel is concerned, he opposed idealism and romanticism of the earlier group of Indian writers in English. He tried to look at any typical Indian situation with an Indian attitude, with a novel and dynamic Indian insight. He cleverly manipulated Indian English to bring out the Indian worldview. Means Vasudeva Kutumbakam. We have to become the member of the universe. This was the very great view before Nissim Ezekiel. Thus, Ezekiel uses Indian English or Babu Angrezi in his poetry to depict the characteristics of Indian attitude. Apart from that, he used irony as a weapon to depict the characteristic features of Indian attitude. He focusing on Mahatma Gandhi's concept Ram Rajya in his poem, which means that we all brothers should come together, live happily in this beautiful land, and it will be the very great dream of Mahatma Gandhi which is focused from the poem particularly written by Nissim Ezekiel. In this way, the poem, particularly very Indian poem in English, in Indian English, the title itself suggests lot that really it is fully or totally Indian poem with the help of Indian English. So we friends, definitely we all have enjoyed this beautiful poem. Definitely I will try my best to explain about the other part of syllabus. Thank you. Thank you.